In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment on Trello, a task that's simple yet incredibly useful for team collaboration. Adding comments to Trello cards allows you to provide updates, note important details, and communicate seamlessly with your team members. So let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident in using this feature. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually towards the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you have the flexibility to sign in using either your email address or your Google account, whichever you find more convenient for seamless access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the boards section. This is where all your individual and team boards are organized. You'll want to focus on the Your Workspaces section. It's under this category that you'll find the boards you own or are part of. Next, find the specific board on which you wish to add a comment. Click on it to open and view all the cards within that board. Now this brings us to the next step. Within the board, select a card where you want to add your comment. Clicking on the card will open up its details, displaying various options for editing and updating the card content. Look for the Activity section. This is typically towards the bottom of the card. Here you'll see a field that says Add Comment. Click inside this field to activate it and type in your comment. Feel free to include any important information or ask questions pertinent to the task at hand. Keep in mind that comments are a great way to maintain transparency and keep everyone in the loop, so never hesitate to share thoughts or clarifications. After typing your comment, the last thing you need to do is click on the Save button. This ensures that your comment is recorded and visible to others who have access to this card. Remember, comments in Trello can be edited or deleted if needed, allowing you to clean up or update the conversation thread as often as necessary. And that's it, you've now added a comment on a Trello card, making the communication with your team a bit more efficient and organized. By using this simple feature, you're contributing to a seamless workflow and boosting your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Trello experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.